All right, this is a teenage athlete, and what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to do a full body adjustment. She's got some aches and pains all over. She's just fought off a flu or a stomach virus or something, and now she's still real tender. She's real tender to the touch. Up real high in the upper cervicals, I can feel the atlas and occiput are really jammed up on this side, and you can tell just by looking at her eyes when they widen. This is not a normal response. Usually when we palpate somebody, there's no outward sign that they're in any kind of pain. She's obviously in some pain just from the residue of whatever it was that was left in her body. We're going to adjust all the way down through. Once we get into the thoracic area, we're going to check to see if we can turn on her T cells a little bit more. Yeah, obviously she's really tender to the touch. Okay. All right, let's just take this around this side and just give you a little, just checking range of motion. Excellent. All right. Okay. Didn't completely clear out. Gonna go a little bit higher. Okay, relax into it. There we go. Still tender up in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. A lot of tightness in our cervicals today. Muscles are still very tender. Let's go back and recheck this. Okay, the atlas is moving good. C2 still stuck right there. Want to go for it? Does it hurt too much for you? Let's see if we can get it. Let it drop right over my finger. A little further. There it is. All right. That's better. All right, it's moving real good now. All right. Let's pull you up. We'll roll you right over. Just checking leg lengths right now. Something Dr. Kate taught me. Doesn't look like the sacrum's off. All right. Tender even in the hips?
On the right side.
Just on the right side, and you're a little bit right short today. All right, let's come up through. Wow. Is it tender out in the kidney area?
Yes.
Is your abdomen still tender?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come up through and try to turn on those. Okay, real tight through there. We're just going to ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those hunter killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body. Yeah, it's real tight through your rhomboid. Okay, here we go. Ready? There it goes. Good job. You're doing great. Doing real good. With the way you're feeling today, would you rather have a side posture or do you want drops?
Drops.
Drops? Okay. We got a whole bunch of different options to treat people where her body's really hurting today. She doesn't feel like being twisted, probably because her abdomen's still kind of tender. So, to get this leg to lengthen out a little bit, we'll use a drop table. Check the weight. It's a little heavy. All right. You okay? Okay, relax. I'm just going to use your leg a little bit to feel it moving. This is a technique that Dr. Steve Arsenal up in Orono showed me. I think good doctors share their techniques with each other so that they can help treat the patients better all the time. All right, how's it feeling in there right now?
Better.
A little better? All right, how's the other side feeling? I'm just gonna go through it real quick. Awesome, felt that move good. A little distraction. Is that better?
Yeah.
Huh? Is it still tender in there?
Yeah.
Let me just give a little trigger point work on it real quick. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying a little bit of pressure to the muscle in an area where it's real sore. It's a little trigger point to help get it to release out. If this doesn't work, we'll go into a little more active release, or we could use some heat and electric stim. Probably today we won't use heat on her just because she's been fighting something and feels like her body's still a little bit warm. All right, that's relaxed now. You feel that? Huh?
Yep.
You okay? Did I make you cry?
No.
Made your nose run, huh?
Yeah.
All right, get you a couple tissues in a minute. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice spot right there.
Yeah.
All right. And this is up close to the ribs. Was there any vomiting involved?
No.
No, you just had the stomach cramps.
Yeah.
All right. So probably from all the cramping, her core's going to be sore, and so this is all tender through here. You can feel the difference in the muscle on this side. You're doing great. All right. Still, it's a little tighter through this side, but it's moving. Let's have you set up and see how it feels.
I don't know about my hair.
Not bad at all. Better?
Can't see.
That was so good, you made your toe feel better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish too.
That big,
All right.
I can move.
You can move. That's a good thing.